Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and opening the PSD with the smart object already in place. Make sure your design matches the mockup canvas size and 300 dpi resolution so scaling stays accurate. Once done, double-click the smart object thumbnail to open its source document. This is the first actionable step. Replace or paste your design into that document, align to guides, and save. You're now ready to continue with adjustments that preserve perspective and effects. Now focus on matching the look and perspective. You paste your design into the Smart Object file and use Free Transform or Warp to align corners to the mockup guides. This preserves perspective when the parent PSD updates. Make sure to use clipping masks for cutouts and set blend modes to multiply or overlay where needed to inherit shadows and highlights. Once you save the smart object, return to the main PSD and verify the design sits correctly within the scene's lighting and edges. Finish by refining layer styles and ensuring the mockup reads as real. You adjust drop shadows, inner glows, and subtle gradients on the smart object layer to match scene lighting. Small tweaks sell the effect. Make sure to view it one-to-one to catch interpolation artifacts and, if necessary, re-export with higher resolution. If things go wrong, reopen the smart object, check alignment to guides, and reapply transforms. That single correction usually fixes scale, perspective, or clipping issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.